If I was a tiger, I'd want to live in this.
Dude, this is the nicest habitat you could possibly have for a tiger.
Now, jump up in the air like you're doing a cannonball.
Mike. Guess what day it is? It's hump day.
Guess what day it is?
Yeah.
Ready.
Big.
That's massive. I really have this freaking. They're really something.
I think it's.
Oh, you want to focus on the tigers? No.
He's been eating good. He's been eating good.
So I was just saying, I love it when I use this awesome camera to get a picture of the tiger, but the camera's like, instead of focusing on the tiger, we're
Right.
gonna focus on the wiring.
Right, makes sense.
So everything is just blurred,
Yeah.
except the wire. It's perfect.
Get him. There you go. Good point. Probably take some pictures or something. I
just
never take pictures
Prove,
everywhere
prove
I go.
that you've been here.
Yeah, take a picture, dude.
Like I went to Africa and didn't take any pictures.
Where'd you go in Africa?
Because y'all were in the airport.
Botswana.
Botswana?
And, yeah,
Why'd you go there?
For a video?
they're only allowed to be there for 2 seconds. We went 17-hour flight to Africa, there for an hour, 17-hour flight.
That seems ridiculous.
Yeah, it was.
Welcome to our work.
But like, why though? Like, what was the?
The earth is flat.
It was the dumbest. Yeah. I don't have any control, so okay, I'll go, whatever.
As you said, you become dumber as you watch other videos.
I'm not about that.
It's got 4 million views. It's like
Actually,
earth proven.
it's not doing too bad, actually. It's been one of our better videos, probably. So, can we like go in there?
Yeah, just hop in.
On this foot?
This is our biggest problem right now.
Where'd that go?
He took a clip from the 8 million and said that it was this dude saying, I'll be Logan Paul. And Rock. That's all that is. That's a Honda. Good God.
Dude, he is a big dude.
Oh, he's hugging the tree. Hey guys, look. Come on, go to the top. Mike's a tree hugger.
Wait, did he climb up the tree? No, baby, he's coming this way. Right there. Finally, here comes Max.
Put him on a pedestal. Mike's all about the photo.
Dear God, there's a tiger behind me. Right. Mike, how'd you take the tiger to this one?
No response.
No response. Okay, cold shoulders.
What show looks like?
Well, he looked pretty though.
All right, cool. That was tight.
I wanna